In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the iPhone not responding to touch. So the first thing that we need to try is we need to try and force restart our iPhone. So to do this, what we need to do is we need to quick release the volume up, the volume down, and then you want to hold down the lock button until you see the Apple logo. So something like this, right? Quick release up, down, and then the lock button right here. And then once you hold it in for around 10 to 15 seconds, that will then turn that off. What that will then do is it will then force restart your iPhone, and then what that will do is it will essentially reset the whole thing. Now, what we can do if that doesn't work is we can try and clean our screen. If you've got any screen protectors, you can try removing the screen protector first. And then if that doesn't work, the last resort will be to contact Apple support. Now, they're the only ways that we can do this, and what worked for me is the force restart. So you can try all of these methods, and like I say, if none of these work, the best method will then be to contact Apple support.